Hi friends, welcome to this video. So this is the one of the important question asked in JEE Mains 2019. Right. An organic compound neither reacts with neutral FeCl3 solution nor with Fehling solution. It however reacts with Grignard reagent and gives positive iodoform test. The compound is right. So from this question only we can get answer, but the thing is we have to know the concept in detail, right? So let us get the answer first, later on we shall discuss the concept, right? So see, the organic compound neither reacts with neutral FeCl3, so they have told it doesn't react with neutral FeCl3, and we know that this neutral FeCl3 is the right FeCl3. This if we add it to phenol, it forms a complex which is violet in color. Violet coloration. Right, violet coloration we will get it. It means only phenol will give this test. The phenol only will react with FeCl3. So they have told what? They have told the organic compound neither reacts with neutral FeC3. It means it doesn't have any phenol, because it is not, it should not give the reaction because it doesn't react with neutral FeCl3, they have told. But here see, OH attached to benzene ring directly, we call it as what? Phenol. So this is not the correct option. Why? Because the organic molecule should not react with neutral FeCl3. It will react. So this is not our option. Again check, see, this is anisole. OCH3 is anisole. OCH3 means it is ether. This is not phenol, this is also not phenol, this is also not phenol. So this option is ruled out. Next, what they are told? Solution. Nor with Fehling solution. So let us talk about this Fehling solution. Fehling solution is a solution is used to distinguish aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes reacts with Fehling solution on heating condition, and this aldehyde will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. Right, so the aldehyde will give this test, so it will give positive test, whereas this ketone won't react with this Fehling solution, so it will give what? Negative test. Right, so whenever aldehyde group is there, it should give Fehling solution, but according to them it not react with Fehling solution, means it should not, the organic molecule should not contain what? Aldehyde group. So see, HCOR means it is aldehyde group. So this is our not the option. And here see, R, this is benzene ring, CO and ethyl group is there. So this is also not our option. The correct option is B. Right. This is how we can easily solve the problem. Right. By saying, if we know the concept clearly, we can solve. But few more details I need to tell you. Further see, if I continue the question, it however reacts with Grignard reagent, they have told. So the story of Grignard reagent I have to tell, and gives positive iodoform test. So let us discuss what is this positive iodoform test, right? So let's see what happens. So one thing you understood, neutral FeCl3 test will be given by phenol. Fehling solution test will be only given by aldehyde, not ketone nor any functional group, right? So from these two concepts we can solve the problem. What is this Grignard reagent? See, so the correct option was B, right? So let me take this molecule B. So it is the B, and here I have OH, and here I have CH3, and here I have CO, C2H5 means ethyl C2H5. So to this, if I add Grignard reagent means RMgX, which will be ionic molecule R minus and MgX plus. Right, so it will be 60% ionic, 40% covalent, we will talk. So this R minus act as a nucleophile and attacks to the electrophilic carbon of this ketone. Right, this is ketone, right? Ethyl CO and here benzene ring. So what I will get? I will get this molecule. See, here I will get this molecule. Benzene ring will come here like this, and here OH will be there as it is, CH3 will be there as it is, and here I had C double bond O, it becomes like O minus MgX plus, and here C2H5 remains as it is, C2H5, and here R comes, right? So this is the thing what we will get. So it is giving what? It is giving Grignard reagent test, positive Grignard reagent test, right? So this is the correct molecule. Further what and they are telling, and gives positive iodoform test. So iodoform test means what? Iodoform test means nothing but this molecule iodoform means what? NaOH in presence of like bromine, right? It will form what? NaOBr, 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 right? So this is what iodoform test. It acts as a mild oxidizing agent. It acts as a what? Mild oxidizing agent. So see here what I have. I have secondary alcohol. This OH is attached to this carbon, which is attached to two different carbon, right? So it is what? Secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol on presence of this mild oxidizing agents, that is sodium in presence of bromine, NaOBr, it will form this mild oxidizing agent, which we call it as iodoform test, right? Not only bromine, NaOH in presence of iodine also we can take, right? It will form what? NaOI, it will form, right? So iodoform, NaOI, right? It will be oxidized to secondary what? A secondary alcohol will be oxidized to ketone. So I will get CH3. And here I will be having O minus Mgx plus. And here it is R. And here it is C2H5. You may ask, sir, here also if you put water, alcohol is there, why it is not going to oxidize? But this alcohol is what? Tertiary alcohol. Right. So no need to worry. Further, if I add CH, this iodoform, sodium hydroxide in presence of iodine, this it will oxidize this thing like this. So here I will get benzene ring comes here, COO minus I will get, and here I will be having O minus Mgx plus, no doubt Mgx plus, and here I will be having ethyl C2H5 as it is, R group will be as it is, and this CH3 will be converted to what? CHI3. So this is nothing but the iodoform. This is iodo form, which is sweet smelling one thing, and the second thing is it will be yellow crystal. It will be yellow crystal, shiny crystal we can see. So these are the indication that the reaction has completed and we have got this CHI3 iodoform, right? So this is the reaction. So only this molecule gives this iodoform reaction and Grignard reagent test, and it is not going to give any neutral FeCl3 test nor what Fehling solution test. So this is the required molecule. I hope this concept will be useful for you. If so, please like the video, share with your friends so that it will be benefiting for them also. Thanks.